YouTube channel. This is vlog number 5 and today we are going to do instant noodles.
And we have here instant kimchi and instant udon. It's kimchi ramen. So we know when the quarantine started, we have stocked up a lot of noodles. So what do we do with our noodles? Let's turn it into something special. So we thought of sharing you how you could make it special. So let's do this. So let's start with our water. Our package should show how much water we need. This says 550, but we don't like it salty, so we added more. So let's boil our water. While we're boiling the water for our noodles, we have on the other pot, we're boiling the water for our soft-boiled eggs. So with our 2 eggs, we want it to be boiling water. And when it's boiling already, that's the time you put the egg. And set our timer. We want it for 6 minutes boiling. So our water for the noodles is already boiling, and let's start with our kimchi. So let's put our noodle. And again, let's set the timer according to the package direction. Okay, so it's the last 1 minute of your noodle preparation. It's time to put our garnishing. So we'll just put half of this because we want to put the other half to our udon. And try to make it just on the side because when you plate it, you want it them together, the garnishing. And you could put your seasoning now. Our soft-boiled eggs is almost done. So we're done, almost done with our kimchi. We just need to plate it. Alright, our kimchi ramen is ready. Just waiting to be plated. Now let's do our udon. So we boiled water, and again check the package direction for your choice of noodle, of how long you need to boil it and how much water you need. So this one said 2 to 3 minutes. So let's do that. Set your timer and let's wait. Okay, our timer said our noodles should be ready. So for the last minute of your noodles that it still need to be cooked, we need to put our garnishing. So same thing as the ramen. and our seasoning. So you could adjust this depending on your taste if you want it less salty or okay, our udon is ready.
So we're gonna try my favorite ramen.
My favorite.
Ramen.
Their favorite.
My
and
favorite.
udon.
Udon for that. So it's instant ramen and instant udon turned into something special to be an instant ramen and udon date.
Alright,
Now let's try.
let's try it. This is my whole bowl.
This is a soft boiled egg that we
Mmm.
boiled for 6 minutes. And we waited for it to be boiling. Then we timed it 6 minutes. I like it this way.
It's good. We have spinach, mushroom, and this seaweed is really good. I hope you guys could try this, but
The
Right,
tofu,
Kayla?
the mushrooms.
Tastes good.
Tastes good. Everything tastes good.
alright guys, we're gonna eat. We
Enjoy.
don't want you guys to get jealous. We'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe.
Yes.
Hello, welcome back. Welcome back.
Ayan, bublo.
Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to cook instant noodles.
And we have instant ramen and instant udon. And sabihin tayo mag-hello.
Okay, go.
Hello.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is vlog number 5. Today we are going to do kimchi and udon. We are going to
Cut mo, Daddy.